Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set your image or picture as your Google Chrome background in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So by that, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed that, please proceed with the best matched and go with open to continue. Now, in case you have seen your Google Chrome at the desktop screen, you can simply double tap to it, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the Google Chrome browser. Now, here we need to add a new tab. So, by that, please proceed at the upper left side of that. You can see there an add sign. Click on it to add a new tab. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see a window like this. So here, please proceed at the lower side, lower right side of the screen. You can see there a pencil icon. Click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see a window called Customize Chrome, where you can customize the appearance, the theme, the color, as well as the picture of your Google Chrome. Okay? So here, please proceed with this option called Change Theme. Click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see available options under theme, which default Chrome, upload an image, solid colors, rising artist, Asian and Pacific artist, Native American artists, and more. And since we'd like to set our picture or image as our Google Chrome background here in our Google Chrome browser, we need to proceed with upload an image. So click on it, this upper arrow, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see this location or window where here you need to locate where your picture is being placed to. So in my case, I'll be proceeding to download since here I would be able to see all of my pictures that I have downloaded. Okay, but in your case, you have to proceed to the specific location where that particular picture or image is being placed. So here we need to proceed to the upper right side again, click this down arrow, and since it's being set into list, that's why we are not going to identify easily the image that we have. We need to set it into medium icons or either large icons if you'd like to. In this way, you would be able to easily categorize or identify your image that you'd like to set as your background here in your Google Chrome. So here, I'd selected I love K-pop. In my case, I'll be selecting this one. Okay, so click on open to proceed. And in that way, you have just successfully set your image or your picture as your Google Chrome background. So you can now close this window and you're good to go. So if you will add a new tab again, you would be able to see that picture of yours as your Google Chrome background. Okay? So you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.